Alright guys, Grande West bus. I'm working at an airport. This is for a SR3 Smartdrive. I didn't install it, but I've had to follow wires in order to do the upgrade. So the guy installed the cameras up here, ran the wires up through here. Your controller is going to be back here. I'm going to take it apart. He just placed it right there. Now for power, he grabbed the wires going to the radio. There's a yellow and a red, and he grounded it right there too. I don't know if that's going to be an issue or not, but that's where the guy, all three buses that I did the upgrades for, that's where they got power from. Now it does have a 9-pin black connector, and what you're going to do is you're going to pop these tabs right here, just kind of push them like that, and this whole panel will come off, and it's right behind the driver, and you'll see the 9-pin like more or less behind this TV area, and then he ran it up into the controller back there. I saw some wires down there that might be good for power and ignition, for constant and ignition also. That's it. It looked pretty simple. Like I said, wires up through the overhead compartment over here. This is where the controller is, behind that panel. And then, like I said, the 9-pin wire goes up and down and there. And like I said, you can either get power from the radio, like the guy who installed it did, or there might be some options down here. But like I said, I didn't install it. I just thought it'd be a good video to record. That's it.